So you want to increase your income while you're out there in your profession, increasing your impact. But how do you grow your wealth while you're busy at work? In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 secrets I've learned by interacting with hundreds of healthcare millionaires. These are things that every single one of them do, and I'm going to share them all with you coming right up. Hey guys, my name is Will Humphreys. I'm here at The Profitable Provider helping you increase your income, your impact, and your freedom. And this phrase today is defining a lot of what we're talking about from this point on. I've had the fortune of being a physical therapist for 17 years, and I've been the CEO and owner of multiple healthcare companies. But I will tell you the thing I appreciate most about that experience was rubbing shoulders with all of these other successful people. What I've learned is that healthcare millionaires in particular, they don't get wealthy on the backs of their teams or in lieu of good patient care. Quite the opposite. They normally have increased impact to their patients, teams that absolutely succeed and do well while they grow their personal wealth. So today we're sharing these 3 secrets with you so that you can start your journey. And man, I wish I had learned these things when I was in my 20s. That's okay, I'm figuring it out now. So if you're new to this channel, please consider clicking subscribe so I can continue making videos like these for you. So let's start it off with number 1. They pay themselves 10%. Regardless of whether they work for someone or they have a company, the first thing they do whenever they get income is to take 10% and pay themselves. They tuck that away. They don't invest it in things to go party or have fun or luxury items. They don't pay their bills. They literally look at themselves as their first and most important investment to make every time they get paid. That leads us to number 2. They create multiple revenue streams. With that saved 10% over time, they're able to take it and create multiple ways for them to make money so that no matter what the economy is doing, there's always something that's doing well and kicking them money. So listen, multiple revenue streams doesn't have to be complicated. I'll make another video showing you the easiest multiple streams that you can create. But regardless of that, there are simple ways to invest, whether it's an app through Robinhood or whether you start slowly investing in REITs or other real estate investments. There are ways you can slowly start building those revenue streams so that when you're older, it will kick you passive income. That takes us to number 3. All millionaires only create win-win contracts. What is a win-win contract? Simply put, that means when the person is agreeing to something, they make sure the other person or entity is also going to win. See, we get into a limited mindset by thinking I can only win when the other person loses. And millionaires do not think that way. So for a team example, if they own a business, they make sure their team grows. They make sure patient care is phenomenal. And they make sure that they also protect their own win. They don't undervalue themselves, just like they would never undervalue the other people involved in the relationship. Those individuals I met with are absolutely masters at helping everyone win, which not only changes the mindset from fighting over pieces of the pie, they literally grow the pie so that everyone has more. So guys, did you like this video? Please consider hitting like. And if there's something I missed, are there other people that you've worked with who are millionaires that have actions that are absolutely successful? I'd love for you to put it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Until next time.